Hi folks, I'm back at it here on the Emerson AX-212 here. I'm just getting the old label out inside, just held in place by one staple instead of glue, which makes it nice. And the old plastic dial cover here that we'll need to reproduce during the restoration process. And here's a look at that Purfling material that I mentioned. It's made out of plastic, extremely faded on the top. And as I removed it here from the inlaid, you can see that it came apart. Went outside, did a little light sanding as well as using some lacquer thinner to get down to the natural colors here of the beautiful figured maple. Another thing I noticed, if you look real close at the bullseye, you'll see at the 12, 3, 6, and 9 o'clock positions, it looks like some darker toner lacquers were applied in those areas, just to enhance the beauty of the radio. Here I'm going back and just spraying some toner lacquer, as you can see in one area after removing the original finish, to get a general idea what it would look like and see if it's a close match to the original finish that was on the radio. And here's a closer look at the Purfling material, that plastic material that's used inside the grooves here around the edges, and you can see the beautiful green patina that it adds, and just me removing it. So my plan here was to replace it with vinyl, but I think I'm going to use my Timbermate product here. It's a water-based wood filler. Fill in the grooves, and then I'll actually stain over the top or just use a permanent marker. So you can see here I'm just experimenting at this point in time, so when I get to the point in the finishing process, I'll have a process already nailed down, and all my kind of experimentation here will be behind me. This is what I elected to do, and I think it'll turn out nice. Found a highlighter that kind of gives me the color I'm looking for that best matches the original Purfling material. This will give me a permanent bond. I don't have to worry about the plastic actually having a lifespan of 8 to 10 years. And I think once I put a clear coat over the top of this, I think it's going to turn out really nice and be a good match. So folks, thanks for stopping by, checking out this update on my Purfling material that I plan to use, as well as the overall finish here on the cabinet once we're complete. Take care.